I am young. Do I need an estate plan? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law probate attorney in New York. And let's handle this question. But first, if you would like to speak with me, please go to frankbrunolaw.com. That's my website. I have 400 videos. I have frequently asked questions. I have a couple of handouts. Put in your email address. You will go on my mailing list, and you could get different bits of information, right? I think some of them have numbers on them, like the 7 steps to the probate process, 6 reasons or 6 things to think about when you're picking a guardian, right? Try and hit all the numbers. Maybe I'll give you something for 5, 4, 3, 2. And this question, I'm young. Well, certainly when a person is young, there's no pressing need, right? Historically, culturally, when do people get estate plans? Well, they think about it at least maybe 3 times. When they have children. When a person has a child, they will think about their mortality. What should happen to them in the event that they pass away and they have a child? So people think about it. Maybe they'll get a life insurance policy. Maybe they'll think of an estate plan. Another time is if someone close to them passes away, and they'll think about it, right? Especially if that person didn't have an estate plan, or there's a problematic situation, people fighting over an estate, something, right? So when it hits close to home, that's when people think about it. And then the third time, just generally, would be as they get older. And it doesn't have to be older, but when you hit a health crisis. So the person that that had gotten a heart attack or had a stroke or had some kind of illness, they'll think about an estate plan. But the young, so let's talk about it. Certainly, a 20-year-old is less likely to need an estate plan than a 60-year-old, just statistically. And we know that disability insurance and life insurance and the cost of these things are less expensive for a young person. However, there's not a 0 chance that someone will die at a young age. Right? There is a chance. And that's not even speaking about death. Well, no, I am speaking about death. I mean disability or incapacity. So for those reasons, a young person needs even a basic plan. So if you are younger or have a young person in your life, please think about it. Anyone over the age of 18 can and should have a plan, even if it's a basic plan. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be complicated, but it should be in writing and it should be done through an attorney. I actually have a young adult package on my website. I actually forgot about that as I'm speaking. It's geared for a young person that maybe they have a power of attorney, a healthcare proxy, and a will. So take a look at it. It's on my website, frankbrunolaw.com.